What can you say?
What can I say?
Oh.
You know,
Message.
it's been a while since I have this kind of birthday. Like, yes, it's been a while. Very been a while.
How long?
Since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know years. You know, I don't know where is the last cake. Ande. I don't know where is the candle before. I have cake before, but I have no candle. You know, I have the candle of the dead. The big one. Put in my cake.
What color is that?
Red.
Hey, one.
Right now I have blue. It matches my color. Look.
I have one more.
Oh.
Yes, a small one.
A small one. Let's light it up.
Sing again.
Okay.
Baka may puspuro. Iwan pala. Dirty boys pala to.
Birthday boys.
Birthday boy.
Dirty boy.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Now we have two candles. The one on the left and the one on the
Oh,
right.
sing again. Leah. Woo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Ilan na yan, ah?
Pakailan na to?
So say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Kevin, happy birthday. Again.
Princess.
Happy birthday, Kevin!
Happy birthday to me! Ako Budoy!